This car looks perfect. Shiny paint, clean interior, great price. But one hidden mistake can turn this deal into a $5,000 disaster. And most buyers walk straight into it. If you're buying a used car, this video can literally save you thousands. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you the 3 mistakes that destroy used car buyers and exactly how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Trusting your eyes only. The car looks clean. The engine sounds fine. The test drive feels smooth. That means absolutely nothing. Hidden rust eats frames from the inside. Low compression slowly kills engines. Worn transmissions fail without warning. A $100 professional inspection can save you thousands in repairs. Skipping it is gambling with your money. Always inspect before you buy. Always. Mistake number 2. Believing the seller. Oil was changed regularly. Timing belt was done. Previous owner took great care of it. Without proof, it is just a story. Missed oil changes destroy bearings. Late timing belts destroy engines. Neglect does not show up on a quick test drive. No service records. Assume the worst and walk away. Mistake number 3. Buying cheap emotionally. A cheap price triggers your brain. It feels like a win, right? Until the transmission fails. Until electronics start dying. Some cars are cheap to buy and expensive to own. Always research real ownership costs before you buy. Not the price. The future bills. A used car can save you money or drain your bank account. Smart buyers plan. Emotional buyers pay. Mistake number 4. Rushing the test drive. Most buyers drive the car for 5 minutes around the block and think everything is fine. That is not a test drive. That is a gamble. Many expensive problems only appear after the engine is fully warm. Transmission slipping, cooling problems, suspension knocks, brake vibration, steering play. A cold engine can hide serious damage. A warm engine reveals the truth. Drive at different speeds. Test hard acceleration. Test strong braking. Listen for strange noises. Feel for vibrations and hesitation. Turn the radio off. Open the windows. Let the car talk to you. If the seller rushes you. If they refuse a longer drive. If they make excuses. That is not a coincidence. That is a warning. A used car can look perfect and still destroy your finances. Most people do not lose money because they are unlucky. They lose money because they rush, trust emotions, and ignore warning signs. One bad decision can lock you into years of repairs, stress, and wasted money. Smart buyers slow down. They verify everything. They walk away when something feels wrong. Because the most expensive car is not the one you buy. It is the one you keep fixing. If this video saved you from one bad decision, subscribe. Your wallet will thank you later.